What up, guys? What do you think of the new lens? You like it? You love it? You hate it? Let me know down in the comments below. But today is not about this lens. It's actually about some North Face product that I acquired from JD Sports. For those of you that are not familiar with JD Sports, I wasn't at first, but basically it's like a Sports Authority or like Dick's Sporting Goods, except in the UK. I was asking my boy Unknown about them because they have a bunch of dope North Face stuff that I actually cannot find at sporting goods stores here. And he said it's pretty big, so if you're in the UK, you probably know what JD Sports is. But that being said, they have some really dope North Face gear. I got a bunch of different North Face stuff that I'm going to show you guys today. And I will leave links to these items if they are still in stock down in the description below. I got 3 jackets, 3 pairs of pants. Now I actually wore all this stuff. I wanted to put it to the test and I wanted to kind of give you guys some feedback as to how it fits or how good it is, the quality, etc. before I actually made this video. At the end of the video, I'll show you guys a quick little edit that I did while just kind of wearing this stuff and checking it out and testing it to see how well it fits or the quality of the product. If you guys want to see more videos like that where I take time to do dope edits, then make sure you smash that like button down below. And also, make sure you follow me on my Instagram because I will be posting some photos in some of this gear as well. So if you guys want to see those photos and support some of the non-hyped photos, some of the stuff that's not super freaking hyped all the time, then make sure you follow me on Instagram and make sure you like the picture that I post in some of this gear. And the picture's pretty dope, actually. I'm pretty stoked on it. Anyways, let's get into some of these pieces so then we can get into the rest of the video and show you guys the lookbook and you guys can see how they fit. The first piece is actually a lightweight jacket right here. As you can see, this is like a nice little lightweight training jacket. You have this huge North Face branding along the shoulder region, and then on this side you kind of have this like 3M somewhat like shiny material, and then of course the North Face branding on the back. Some small little touch which I don't know if I can actually show you guys, but on the wrists, the actual like elastic or whatever it is, it says the North Face, so it's kind of branded on the wrists in like a very subtle manner. It's the small details that really catch my eye that I kind of like. Like no one would notice it except for you, but it's just super dope to me, and I kind of like that little touch. I'll try to get some like close-up footage so I can show you guys on the screen. But yeah, overall, this is a lightweight jacket, and these jackets are actually pretty affordable because they are lightweight, but they're good to have to like layer or something like that. Kind of protect you from some outside elements like rain or wind. Next up, we have the Mountain Parka. Now, you guys know I love the Mountain Parka. I have quite a few of these. I got the Nordstrom Mountain Parka. I got the Mountain Parka from Supreme, like the one with the mountain print on it. And I love Mountain Parkas. I think they're super sick. They're really, really nice jackets. They're good quality. And on top of that, when they come out in dope colors like this, like I needed this for my collection. This Creme de la Creme colorway, as you can see, is freaking gorgeous. It pops. It almost looks like it should be a collab piece, but of course it's not. It's just an actual North Face Mountain Parka. Like super good quality as always. These are a little bit thicker than the other jackets. They're not crazy thick for like hiking or anything like that. They will protect you from the elements. They are made of a Gore-Tex material, so they'll protect you from water, wind, whatever. And then you can use these to layer as well. So that way when you layer under these or over them, I guess, usually under, you can help protect yourself from the cold elements. But inside this jacket, when you actually unzip it, there is a spot to insert some liner, so you'll see 2 zippers right here, so you can actually put some liner on the inside of that right there, and then you can keep yourself a little bit more warm. If you like Mountain Parkas, I would definitely recommend this one. This colorway is absolutely insane to me, and when I saw this, I was like, yo, I need to have this. This is just such a clean color, and as you guys know, I love Creme de la Creme, so I had to cop. I know someone's gonna be like, you're saying you love cream of the cream? Yeah, I know. If you guys have been following the channel, you guys know what I mean. Come on now. But you newcomers may not understand. Anyways, if you cannot afford that because those jackets are a little bit more expensive, there are options to get that same look. However, they're going to be a little bit thinner. They're not going to be the same level of protection from winter elements, but you do have some similar looking options. Like for example, this piece right here, as you can see, you still have the same color blocking in terms of like this little shoulder region being blocked off and some little blocking going on the sleeves, but this is a lot lighter. So this would be something that you would wear when it's like, you know, a little bit, maybe a little bit of a breeze, or you want to layer and kind of like the first jacket, protect yourself from wind or rain, but like put something on under it. As you can see, it's got that olive colorway. I would say size it up on this because in my opinion, it fits a little bit tighter, and you guys will see I took a picture actually in this piece with some super sick pants. The pants that I got are so freaking dope, man. That's like the main reason why I needed this, because like I always look for super dope North Face pants because I like hiking in the North Face. It's just a brand that I support, right? But it's kind of hard because a lot of the pants that I see are usually snowboard pants, and those are really baggy. But I actually got some pants from JD Sports that like they fit really, really well, and I can wear them when I go hiking, so I'm pretty stoked on it. Now, I actually got 2 styles of pants, and I got 2 of one style and then 1 of another style. So basically, I got these super sick, like woodland camo pants right here. These things are so freaking gorgeous, and I like having these for when I'm hiking out in the wilderness, you know. These have cargo pockets on both sides. These are not Velcro cargo pockets. They actually have buttons, and they're like metal buttons as well, which is definitely a nice touch. They have normal side pockets. They got some little North Face embroidery branding right here on the left side. But one thing I really do like about these is that on the inside, and this is another thing that like no one will ever notice except for you, but it says never stop exploring, and it's kind of like embossed on the inside. I'll try to do some close-up footage just like with the wrists of the jacket, and I just kind of like that, man. That's dope. Like when I saw that, I was like, that is so sick to me, because that's like a small little touch that not everyone will notice, or probably no one will ever notice except for you. But I like when brands take that little extra step to do the little things that kind of just, you know, make the piece complete. It makes it feel like they weren't just being lazy, you know? And that's actually on the inside of the waist. Now the other style of pant that I got, and I would say for those, the cargo pants, those are definitely true to size. These ones, you could kind of size down maybe, and this one actually does have 2 separate little branding, or brandings, I don't know, brandishings. But as you can see, you have the North Face branding right there, and then of course you have the North Face branding on the back. Once again, you still have that like embossed never stop exploring on the inside of the waistband. I'd really like to see them use this where it's like maybe on the outside, or maybe have like a t-shirt where you have some kind of elastic that has never stop exploring, like tonal, you know, just real clean, real simple. You know, North Face, if you want to hire me as some kind of designer, you know what I'm saying, I'll do that. But yeah, I got medium in all the pants, and I will say with these ones, I probably could have gotten a small. One nice touch about these is though, even though they only have 1 pocket on the side, these do have a zipper pocket right here. I just kind of liked this color. I like this khaki color, and I just felt like I wanted to get this pair as well. Another thing about these pants is that they do have a back pocket, which compared to those ones that do not. But if I was to pick a pair of pants, I actually surprisingly like those ones more, even though they're cuffed at the bottom. These ones are not cuffed, they're just tailored. I just kind of like the way that those ones fit better. But I definitely recommend those cargo pants in a black or a camo. Those are extremely sick. Like I said, there will be links to all this stuff down in the description below, but I have 2 more items. One item is a pair of shoes, which I actually own a pair of hiking boots that I bought a long time ago from the North Face. These are just clean little shoes that I can use kind of like when I'm, you know, out, not like really hiking because these are low tops, but just shoes that I don't mind getting dirty. They're clean, they're comfortable. I'm actually kind of surprised at how comfortable they are, especially compared to the boots, because the boots that I have, those aren't super comfortable, but they're super durable, and they keep my feet dry when I'm hiking. So usually whenever I'm doing like a snow hike or something like that, if I'm hiking in the wintertime, usually I'll bring my North Face boots. But yeah, as you can see, you have North Face branding right there on the side and some North Face branding on the tongue. These laces have reflective hits throughout the lace. And like I said, those are just kind of like nice, comfortable shoes that you can wear outside, and you know, you don't really mind getting dirty. And then the last thing that I got is something that I think is super dope, and you guys know, if you guys have been watching for a while, you guys know I think this is a sick piece, but it's this masterpiece right here, the beautiful Base Camp duffel. This is a large size, so this thing is huge. Like, look, I could probably fit my entire body inside this freaking duffel bag. Another thing about this duffel bag that's really cool is that these duffel bags have these little backpack straps, so you can actually carry it on your back as a backpack. There's tons of storage space in this thing. On top of that, there's like all these little side handles, so that way when you're like getting it out of like a top storage spot in a plane or whatever, you can just pull it. You got another one over here. There's just tons of different spots where there are handles, and that's just good for when you're, you know, traveling or whatever. But I definitely love this bag. But yeah, man, those are the pieces that I got. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. And like I said, I need to show you guys that video, man. We need to go to Point Defiance. That way I can film a little video. I really want to take some of the stuff hiking to the mountains. You guys will probably see that very soon. But for right now, let's go film this video and hit Point Defiance, man. You ready? Okay, you're ready. Let's go.